How to fix iPhone Notes app crashing or not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. In the search box, type in Notes and then search for it. Once app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be fixed. Next, what you have to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option iPhone Storage. Now from this list, find the app Notes. Once you find it, open it. Click on Upload App. After you upload the app, click on Reinstall App. With that, your problem might be fixed. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on Delete App. Click on Delete App. Once you delete the app, launch your App Store, search for the app Notes, and then install it. By following this solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix iPhone Notes app crashing or not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.